Ever feel like your phone is sabotaging your focus? Here's how to take back control with sessions. In Opal, sessions are scheduled blocks of time where distracting apps and websites are blocked for a set period of time during the day. For example, imagine you're editing a video, but Instagram or YouTube notifications keep pulling you away. With a session, you can block those apps during your desired time block. The great thing about sessions is that you can have them repeat, so they become part of a daily schedule. There's 3 ways that you can set up a session. First, by pressing the plus icon in the top right corner of your screen. Then picking Session from the pop-up menu. You can also scroll down to the new block section and click Schedule Session. The third way you can set up a session is by pressing the Block Now button. This is an easy way to create an instant session right now or schedule one for later. Inside the Sessions menu, you'll find a few different settings that give you more control over how you block your apps. This menu allows you to pick which apps and websites you would like to be blocked during your session. I mostly choose social media because they're the most common distractions for me during the workday. You can choose the difficulty level of your sessions, and there's 3 options. Normal, which allows you to take breaks and cancel the session when needed. Timeout, which increases delays before you can take a break again. And deep focus, which doesn't allow you to take breaks or end the session early. This one is best used for when you really need extra protection against distractions. After choosing the difficulty level, you can set a specific time frame and days of the week that you would like this session to run. When I'm editing a video, I like to work in the mornings, so I've set this session to block from 9 a.m. till 12:30 from Wednesday to Friday when I'm in the office. Once I'm happy with all these settings, I click Save and let Opal do the work in the background. The great thing about sessions is that you only have to set them up once, and it works in the background as part of your regular focus block. Sometimes I can have multiple sessions set up during a day, which give me a bit of flexibility and control over how I use my phone at different times of the day. This technique of stacking sessions is a little bit more advanced, but super useful once you understand the basics. Here's how it works. I like to plan my week by blocking work sessions based on the type of work that I'm doing. My first session I created with one of the available templates. You can access this easily on the blocks page. It's called Work Time. In this session, I like to start at 9 and end at 12:30. On top of that, I also add another session that starts at 2 p.m. until 5:30. This session is a normal session and runs Monday to Friday. I don't need a super strong block because later in the day I'm usually doing more creative work, which can sometimes require more access to social platforms and video streaming. I allow the use of video platforms like YouTube and Vimeo during this session. In the evening, I have a session from 8:30 p.m. until 8:30 a.m. the next morning. This is my time at home, and I make this a deep focus session, which allows me to be more present and away from my screen during downtime. And that's how you can use sessions in Opal to supercharge your focus.